Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make a very tasty chicken suya recipe. So if this is something you think you would like to try, please keep on watching the video. Just look at this piece of chicken wing. Does it not look so delicious to you? If it does, please let's get started. So I have got chicken here. This is a full soft chicken that I have already washed. You can also decide to use hard chicken if you like. So now I'm going to put everything in my cooking pot. I also washed the chicken with lemon, okay, because I know some people do not wash the chicken. As for me, I do. So now all the chicken is in the pot. I'm going to blend onion, garlic, ginger, bay leaf, rosemary. I've got powdered chili, which gives a red color, and some chicken seasoning. Then I'm going to blend it and pour it all over the chicken. So again, the red coloring is because I used red chili powder, the Ghanaian one, Kivo. So now I'm going to stir it and we are going to let it steam until the chicken is cooked. So this is me after about 15 minutes, and I'm just going to give it a stir to make sure it cooks properly. So the chicken is not quite done yet, so I'll leave it a few more minutes, and this is it. Look at this. And by the way, I'm going to keep the chicken stock because I'll be using it for my jollof rice, so it is not needed in this recipe. So now I'm taking the chicken out of the stock, and then once the stock is totally cooled down, I'm going to put it in my container and keep it in the freezer for next time, for another recipe, like I said, either jollof rice or for my chicken stew. So guys, this is it. Now I'm going to prepare my suya. So I'm going to add my Ghana Suya powder. You can also use the Nigerian one if you prefer. So for this recipe, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add a bit of chicken seasoning from Rennie. You can use any brand you like. And then I am also going to add a bit of dried rosemary, just a little bit. Next, I am going to add my white pepper, a bit of all-purpose seasoning, and then I am going to add some oil. So for this recipe, I am going to add about 10 tablespoons of oil, and this is just sunflower. You can use vegetable or any oil you like. Okay guys, so 10 tablespoons. And by the way, I am not going to make or do the whole chicken. I just selected a few pieces for you to see how I make it. Yeah, that is why there's so little soya powder. So now I'm going to stir it. Okay, and then I am going to coat my chicken with the soya mixture. I have also preheated my oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Please convert it into Fahrenheit. So now I am going to mix it. You need to be gentle because you know the chicken is already cooked, so it is much softer. Yeah, okay, so I'll make sure the chicken pieces are well coated in my suya mix, and then we'll move on to the next step. And again, do not forget to preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. And I'm also using a fan oven, just to let you know. Right, so I've lined my grill with parchment paper or baking paper, and now I'm going to place my coated chicken on it. You can also do it with a hard chicken if you wanted. It also works with turkey, so if you prefer turkey to chicken, please go ahead and use turkey, or any other bird like guinea fowl, which is I confirm I'm not a fan of that one. So yeah, okay, so this is ready. I'm just showing you a little close-up. And now for the next step, we are going to put it in the oven, and this is how it looks like now. So this is after about 15-20 minutes on one side. So now I'm just going to turn it over. Okay, nice and gently. And then I am going to add more suya. Okay, so I'm going to coat it with more suya, and then it will go back again in the oven. So let's say I did 15-20 minutes on one side, and then I'm going to do another 15 to 20 minutes on the other side. Okay, but some people like it a bit longer in the oven, so feel free to do whatever you like, but remember that this chicken has already been cooked before. Yeah, so yeah, so this is just to, you know, to give it that little extra taste. Yeah, and do not worry, it tastes amazing. It's very, very nice. So if you have some friends over, trust me, they're really going to like it. It's delicious. I don't do it often, but when I do it really, really good. So this is done, so it is now going back into the oven, and this is it, guys. This is the result. Look at this chicken, suya chicken, and I can guarantee you it smells amazing here. It's just excellent. So yeah, so now I am going to serve it. Okay, so this is the plate I would use if I was having some friends over. I think it looks very nice, very good, and goes perfectly well with the chicken, the contrast, the colors. So yes, and actually we were going to eat this with our jollof rice. Yes, I had already made jollof rice as well. So yes, this is it. And let me show you another close-up. Yeah, so now I'm just sprinkling a bit more suya powder, you know, just to make it more presentable. And then I am also going to decorate it with a bit of sliced fresh onions. Yes, just like that. And this is very, very presentable, don't you think so? So yeah, so basically guys, this is the end of my video. This is suya chicken. Yeah, there is wing, there's any part of the chicken, and now as usual I am just going to show you how it looks like on the inside. Look at this. Wow, perfectly cooked, so soft on the inside. So guys, this was my recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to put your notification bell on, and I'll see you next time for another recipe. Bye. Thank you.